is precious.
Look at that.
Oh, that's so cute.
Look how cute you are. Look at the little bottom.
You are the cutest thing.
Oh,
look at that little
I can't stand it.
I gotta send these to Uncle Gene.
Yes.
He does.
Oh. You're the nicest, prettiest little girl in the whole world. Prettiest dog. Now let her go.
I told him that you were getting a big one.
Uncle Gene. What did he say?
He says, oh. He loves dogs.
I know.
I just love to see her.
He loves Natalie. He loves you too. Oh. Yeah. No.
That's what he was doing to me.
No, down the bottom. No, don't do that.
No.
That's what doggies do, though. Yeah.
Doggies do.
Every dog I've gotten, every dog I've seen always does that.
You get her. Go ahead and hold her, Bridget. You can hold her.
Bridget wants to hold
You can hold her, okay? You're gonna hold her a lot.
Here.
You get to hold her.
No, let Bridget do it. She wants to.
Bridget do it. Yeah, Bridget wants to. Oh, Bridget.
This dog is
so
just
precious.
Spoiled.
Look at that little dog. Oh, look. I got it recording.
Look at that.
That's the cutest. That's the cutest thing.
Back up so I can shoot this.
She's so cute. Oh, she knows.
Natalie, Mom, back up.
Oh. Can't either. It's the cutest thing.
That's a sign that she's not aggressive. You can lay her down and she's calm, peaceful.
Good. That's what I wanted.
Good. We don't want. Yeah, we want a little
When we first
girl.
were looking at him, she was the most mellow, actually. Really, she was kind of. And I thought, the couple of the boys were like, they were, and I thought, I liked that she was mellow. She wasn't.
Charlotte.
I mean, not that she's gonna be mellow.
Charlotte wants to hold her a minute too.
Natalie, Bridget.
Natalie, let Charlotte hold her too.
Natalie, you're on a timeout for not listening again. Go on the stairs.
Not too loud.
Oh, she's so precious.
Please, Daddy.
She's going to need time to explore her house, too.
Yeah.
I just want to hold her.
I know. You get to hold her too. You get to hold her. She's just so adorable.
She's so peaceful.
I know. Jerry says she's very peaceful. She is. She's just taking it all in.
She's so at home here. She loves her new home already.
She does, doesn't she?
Makes me cry.
Me too. It makes me cry.
It makes Mommy cry.
She loves it. Look at, she's just.
Oh my God.
Oh.
So cute.
She's just.
Can't see Bridget.
She just.
You can get next to
Look
Charlotte.
at her little face.
I know that is a
Come back in.
Okay, Natalie, you can come in. Come on.
Oh.
Natalie, you can come
I got
back.
it on recording.
Oh my goodness. Her little belly is like both.
Oh, that's so precious.
Look at little belly. Look at all that little baby fat.
And she smells.
There you
Put her
go.
down carefully.
Yeah, she's ready to get down now. She's ready.
Natalie, you can come
She's
back.
ready to play around
Natalie.
now.
She's struggling.
Just send her.
You're going to be really careful when you pick her up by her chest, not to squeeze her ribs.